everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from MadKin Beauty. We're going to do a little touch of the holidays, just a little bit here by using these three colors and then these adorable decals. So we're going to dive right into this mani, but before we get into those beautiful colors, we are going to start with a layer of gel base on two nails, and then we're going to dip into white diamond, which is a solid pure white, and it is by far the best white ever. Look at that coverage with one dip. We're only going to do one coat on the decal nails. I like this white for two reasons, because not only is it just like a pure white, I like it that it's very full coverage with one dip. It's a great background for decals, and I like that I can get away with one dip and it's not chalky or patchy or streaky or anything like that. So now we're going into this color right here, which is a beautiful pink called Make Me Blush, and I feel like this is a staple color in my opinion. It is like the perfect, almost like a muted pink. It's like has a slight darkerness to it, kind of like a mauve, but overall it is such a gorgeous pink. You can see here I went ahead and cured for 30 seconds before I went and dusted off, but you can see here that it's super pretty even like with one coat. It's kind of like this like sheer bubblegum kind of effect to it, but with the second dip it just totally brings this color to life, and I really like how it has a little bit of a slight darkerness to it, but overall super stunning. So throughout this video you're going to see me go ahead, dip into that jar here, and then you will notice that I brushed off. Just keep in mind when you are using gels, you always cure in between each coat for a full 30 seconds. If you are looking for a nail lamp suggestion, I do have two listed in that description box below, but I feel like all the colors that we're using today are amazing, not only for like the holiday season, but perfect for all year long. Plus, you get to really see some fun colors and how they perform today with the gel method, and also wait till you see the glitter that we're going to dive into in just a second. It is called Believe. It is amazing and it screams holiday season to me, and it's just like the most like perfect, almost like platinum champagne glitter. You can see right here, it's just looks so hypnotizing falling into that cupcake liner, and these stars lay super flat. All right, so enough chit chat, let's dive into this mani process, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard.
All right, so we're just finishing up the mani here, and we're doing a layer of gel top coat on all the nails, and I am curing for a full 60 seconds. I'm going to do the rest of the top coat off camera. Here's the finished mani. I think it's so adorable. There is just something about Snoopy that just like makes my heart melt. It's like a childhood thing, most likely, but overall, I think it's just so cute, and it's kind of a fun way to dabble into that winter holiday season by incorporating some little decals here. I mean, Snoopy's playing in the snow, and then we have like that beautiful glitter called Believe, which has the most perfect sparkle to it. And the stars in here are just so pretty, and you could see there before when we were filing and buffing how flat everything was laying. I was just like completely mind blown by that. And then that pink Make Me Blush is just a super, super pretty pink. It's very soft, elegant, and then you cannot go wrong with that beautiful green as well. All right, so everything that we did use today in the video can be found in that description box below. The decals that we did use today are releasing Friday, November 10th over at Nails Truly. So if you are looking for some really high quality decals that are super easy to use, very user friendly at a great price, Nails Truly is gonna be your jam for decals. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.